dancing on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, wake up, pause up, turn around. This diamond, diamond.
Grab it. Let me grab it. Let me grab it. Let me grab it. Let me grab it.
So this hair is from Wondess hair, and this beautiful hair that I have in, what they supplied me is their beautiful natural wave. This is their natural wave Brazilian hair, and this is grade 10A hair. They did not send me a frontal or closure due to the high quality of this hair, and you guys, I have to say this is one of the most high quality hairs that I've ever received. Being that it is 10 grade hair, I could actually see the difference. This is just washed. This is washed and that's it. I didn't put no curls in it. I didn't do anything, and the waves came back. The waves came back, you guys. Look, you see this? Then it's washed, and you can tell because it's kind of frizzy. It's kind of frizzy, but for the natural wave, you guys, this is some good hair. And like the shine and the hair, I was just like, okay. I'm not mad that they didn't send me no frontal because I always wanted to do like a quick weave, and I'm kind of happy that this quick weave is something that I was able to share with you guys. And it's just like a fun style doing a quick weave because you can leave your real hair out. And then the good thing about quick weaves as well is it's so, like, when you wear a ponytail, it's so thin in the back, like, which is good. It's so flat, and I have braids, so it's like a half wig for me, and my real hair is out. So I got 20 20 20, I got 20 20 22 22, and look at the ends. No, nothing bad. And you guys, I have to say, when you guys buy hair too, make sure you guys are buying from the links because there is different hair that they have. They have 10A and grade hair because they sent me some other hair. I have straight, and it's different. It's not like this at all. So, and just look at the lust on this hair, you guys. You see this? You see? I'm gonna cut it like this short. Just haven't been a fan of bit long hair, and yeah, but I do the quick weave. This is something that I've been doing for a long time, and if you guys don't like the way I do it, I'm so sorry, but this is the way I do it for a long ass time, you guys, and it does wonders and does great for me. So I love you guys. It's Bonitarebel. Mwah.
Too much sauce, What you want from me? Tell me what you want from me. What you need from me? Tell me what you need from me. 'Cause my money ain't going nowhere, but my time is ticking, yeah. Bow down, this my down. Don't come around, I'm hella faded, I'm elevated. Don't see no basic, don't come around here, I hurt your feelings. I used to fight for you, but now you love me when I'm through with you. You said, babe, are you alright? I'm about to catch my flight, I'll see you back tonight, I just wanna make this right. You said I got just miss you, said I wanna kiss you, you said I just miss you. You said, baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? You said, baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Love me, can you love me? Love me, hold me down, can you hold me down? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? You said, do you hear me calling? Why you not calling? Why looks like you're stalling? I know I'm too good for you. Yeah, bow down, this my town. Don't come around, I'm hella faded, I'm elevated. Don't see no basic, don't come around here, I hurt your feelings. I used to fight for you, but now you love me when I'm through with you. You said, babe, are you alright? I'm about to catch my flight, I'll see you back tonight, I just wanna make this right. You said I got just miss you, said I wanna kiss you, you said I just miss you. Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? You said, baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Love me, can you love me? Love me, hold me down, can you hold me down? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Why you talking all that mess? You should know I don't stress. Why would you even wanna test me? You haters know I got the recipe. I'm whipping hoes, they need